In this video, we're going to show you how to make simple changes to a site that's been fitted with PageBuilder. PageBuilder is a component that helps your site to maintain responsive behavior. Responsive meaning the site will change shapes depending on what's being viewed on. So in this case, this is being viewed on a phone, and the objects on the website are going to stack one on top of each other instead of being arranged in columns. In order to maintain a site like this, either you have to know HTML or we have to use special tools so that our members can make changes easily. In doing so, we have fitted our sites with SP PageBuilder. In order to edit pages on this site that have been fitted with SP PageBuilder, just go to SP PageBuilder from the top menu and choose a menu item. In this case, we're just going to look at the home page. And you can see here that we have different rows. In fact, in this site, there are 4 rows, and each one is distinctly different from the next. And you can see that some of the rows have different columns. This one has 4 separate columns. Hovering over the plus signs, you can see that I get a directional signal. That will let you know that you can drag and drop that item into a new position. In this case, I've taken the 4 blocks and I've moved them to the bottom of the page. And now I'm going to move them back where they belong, just by dragging them. You can do that with rows, and you can do that with the columns as well. You can drag items back and forth to rearrange them, and then you can move them back into their original position. Whenever you make a change, make sure to save. Otherwise, it won't remember that you've made those changes. Okay, so let's take a look at these different items. If you hover over any pencil icon, it will allow you to edit that particular item. In this case, this is a text block, and it's got a title that can be changed, and it has some text. If you're done making your changes, hit save. If you're just looking at something and you don't mean to make changes, hit cancel. Let's look at this image block. This image block is pretty easy to change. Just scroll down until you can see your image, and you can select a new image if you'd like to replace that one, or remove the image that is there and have no image. If you want to select a new image, just hit select image and select from what is already there, or upload a new image. The new image will be moved right into this editor pane that you see, and you can select it and click on insert. If you don't mean to make any changes, just hit the close button. And you can save your changes here, or if you're not trying to make any changes and you're just trying to look around, just hit the cancel button. You can see here this is a button link. This is the button text, and this is the button link. And you have some other things that you can look at changing if you wanted to. You could always add an icon to that button, or change the link. In order to get a new link, just go to whatever page you want to link it to and copy the URL, and then just replace that button link right there by pasting it in. I'm going to change it back because we didn't really want to change the link on this. Okay, so if you wanted to maybe select an icon to go on that button, you could do that here. Maybe link and have it open in a different window, or make it full width. I don't mean to make changes, so I'm going to cancel that right here. Okay, so anything that has an icon on it, that's a pencil icon, can be saved, can be edited. Just remember, if you don't mean to make any changes, to hit the close button. The close button is going to take you back to the list, or save and close if you do mean to make changes. And that's all you really need to do in order to make changes to your website.